Good evening, everybody. This is your Thursday edition of the Posh Premiere. Tonight, I'm just going to focus on handbags. I have several of them to show you. I'm only going to limit it to like 10 because I don't want to take up too much of your time. But if you're interested in any other one of them, those are also available on the Poshmark closet. So without further ado, let me get started. First up, just in time for spring, we have this Draper James straw bag. If you look inside, there's several compartments. Well, there's one compartment and then there's this full compartment here. And this is just the stuffing to keep it in shape. But of course, you can take this scarf and interchange it and put a different one on there. And it has a snap closure for you. So that's the first one by Draper James. Next up, I have this one. It's unbranded is what I say because there's no name brand on it, but it looks like a faux crocodile style. It has some nice detail to it. You have a zipper on the outside here that you can get stuff in. And then this one has a super surprise inside for you. It also has a wristlet. So if you don't want to carry the bag, you just want to carry a little smaller version. This is a wristlet, and it has, places for your credit cards, driver's license, money. So there's quite a bit of room in this item, too. It has a little design on the front. Let me finish showing you the inside. So you have the zipper compartment there. Then you have the spot for your cell phone. So that's purse number 2. Next up, we have this little cutie. This is a little whimsical bag. This is I Love Lucy. It just has Lucy and Ricardo on the front of the bag and also on the back. There's a little bit of bling you can see here. It's kind of a bucket style. It has the feet on it. You can probably get this over your shoulder, yeah. Or you just carry it the other way. It does have an opening. There's still stuffing down in this one. So it has a zipper pot. It has a middle section here. And then, of course, the other side of it, which also has a little slot for a cell phone. So that's the I Love Lucy purse. Next, we have this other macrame, I would say, bag. This is by The Sack. It has leather handles. It has a little bit of silvery lining on the inside. This too is kind of like a bucket bag if you look at the bottom of it. Inside you will find a zipper, and you'll find a place for your cell phone, and also a wide compartment in the middle. This is by The Sack. Next up, we have this cute little bag. It looks like a pineapple. It's called, it's by Capelli Straw World, and it's made of corn husks. So this is a cute little bag. It has a little drawstring here, so you can open it and put your, items in there. I'll show you the drawstring. And it's just one big compartment in the middle. It's kind of a little novelty item, I would say, but it's cute. It's by Capelli. Next up, we have this genuine leather crossbody purse. This is by Paul Joseph. Now, when you open it, there's a little snap closure there. There's a little zipper compartment there. And then the rest is just open. And it has this cute little tassel that's hanging from it. It's kind of like a decorative thing. I don't see where you can really take that off of there. And then, of course, the strap, which is a shoulder strap, but it's certainly adjustable. That's Paul Joseph, genuine leather. Next up, we have this pebble grain bag. This is by Talbots, and it has like the little tortoise shell on the handles. That's like the real decoration to it, I would say. It has a snap closure. Then you open it. You have space for your cell phone. And then this too has a bonus. This has a little change purse. This change purse is by Vera Bradley. It's just your basic change purse. So that comes with the bag. And then you also have the little zipper side right here. Now, one thing is that it has these little clips, I guess you would say, that you can use to keep the bag closed. Okay. And then it also has these little notches that you can use to put if you want like a bigger strap on there. I don't know that you would though, because it seems like these are the primary straps. But it's there in case you need it. So this is like a mustard yellow color, and it's by Talbots. Next up is this tote by Steve Madden. This is a nice bag. It's faux leather. It has the little insignia on there. When you open it up, you have a pretty big compartment on the inside. And then you also have a little place for your cell phone, and then a little zipper compartment. So this is by Steve Madden. And it's a nice size. You could use it for the beach or use it to put your laptop in. It's a pretty beige color as well. Next up is this bag by, let me see, who's this by? This is by Black Rivet. This is genuine leather as well. And this, I would say, is more of a briefcase. You got a little section right here, but the size of it just makes me think briefcase. But of course, it's up to you. So you've got many compartments in here. You got that one, you have this side, you've got a middle compartment right there. And then, of course, you have this side and then two other compartments right there. So this one can hold just about everything you need to go to the office. And it's a dark brown color by Black Rivet. Next up is another kind of, I call it like a novelty purse. This one is by Charming Charlie. It has a cute little closure there, and you open it, you can slide something down in there if you want. This too has the little tassel on it. It has the shoulder straps that are removable, so you can take those off. This is the back of it. It has also the little feet on it. And then when you look on the inside, it has a nifty little black and white striped inside. Again, it's by Charming Charlie. You have the zipper part here. And then you have like a little section that you can slide your phone down into. It's a pretty teal color. But again, the shoulder strap is adjustable and it's also removable. All right, that does it for the purses that I wanted to show you tonight. Once again, if you're interested in it, you just go to the, follow the link in the description box. Go there, buy it, and then it'll be in your hands in a matter of a couple of days. I also want to remind you to subscribe to the channel, and I want to remind you about the new series that's coming up, Bop, Joy, and Grit. And I'll give you some more information about that as we get closer. I'm still working pretty hard on that, but I really do need some subscribers in order to, keep this train going. But I do thank you for your attention, and I will see you again on Sunday. Have a good evening.